the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Hey guys, today we are going sturgeon fishing. We just stopped by Walmart just to grab a few things. I've got 3 poles already, but we've got like 6 of us going. So I grabbed another pole. It's only like 31 bucks. Grabbed some weights. I think they were 4 bucks a package, so we bought a couple of them. Bought some 65-pound test braided line. It was like $13. So I'm kind of going to do a little bit of a video of how to go sturgeon fishing on a budget, because I think everybody has this mindset that you have to have hundreds of dollars to get set up to go sturgeon fishing, and I don't necessarily agree with that, especially for the size of sturgeon around here. Most of the sturgeon around here are going to be, the big ones are going to be about 5 feet, so they're not like absolute giant fish like what you find in other areas. So follow along with us today and watch our video. Hey guys, so this is the fishing pole I went with. It is it says a Speed Stick Velour BG. I don't know. This is what the label looks like. Nothing too fancy. I think it was like 31 bucks. And this is the line I went with. It's braided, 65-pound test. Looks like pretty good stuff. That's what I'm gonna go with. I know some people that use a 100-pound test, but I think that's kind of overkill. As long as you set your drag, I don't think it's gonna be an issue.
What is it?
It's a nope-a-doodly.
No, this.
Yeah, that's exactly what it is. It's a nope-a-doodly.
Audrey, I found a nope-a-doodly. But I found a nope-a-doodly.
We have been sitting here for what, 4 hours trying to catch one?
Yeah, 4 hours trying to catch a fish.
Maybe a lobster got
Sturgeon won't even catch.
Maybe a lobster got It said a nope-a-doodly.
Gotta wear him out. I knew I had one playing with it. Yeah, I got one on right now.
Come on, buddy.
It's so big.
Is it?
Yeah.
Get in with it.
Then back. Then what are you doing? It can eat all of us. Run away. It can eat all of us.
I know.
You need to come down here.
Mom, it could eat all of us.
Do you have anything in your pockets?
Just in case it takes you in.
Also, I can get in and take a picture. Well, that's a big one. Well, they cost a fortune right off.
Watch him reel it in. Takes a minute.
Let's see that.
Maybe do some.
Can I smack it in the head?
No.
Oh, bud. You can't do that with this kind of fish.
Why?
Because this is the good kind of fish.
This is the fish you can't kill and eat, so you can't smack it.
And why did you bring a baseball bat?
I can see the weight thing right
Why is there a straw? What's that? How's we're also walking the whole section pole.
Don't lose it. That would be a disappointment.
You want to eat it?
He's right there.
Spiciness.
And they're jumping all
I
over
can
here.
see my rock spot right there. See? Look. That's where my rock is.
Yeah, somebody can grab the pole.
Mommy can see my rock spot right
Got it,
there.
Audrey?
Oh,
Oh, watch, she's about to bring it in.
Come on, buddy. Buddy.
Yeah, I got a little glimpse of him.
Oh, he's a good size. Oh, wow. So cool looking. You guys can get in and take a picture of them in a minute, okay? Oh my gosh.
It's a big fish. I touched him. Okay.
Oh, they're so
Looks
weird.
like a shark.
It looks like a shark, huh?
Little miniature shark. It's like a little miniature shark.
Art shark, huh?
Ew. Did he swallow it? Oh my gosh, I just slipped him. Look at that. You guys want to go touch him?
Yeah, he's
Watch out for the
Everybody
hook.
wants a picture. Come here.
Go ahead, go in.
Come in a little bit deeper. Let's get a picture.
Stand by us.
Hey guys, don't laugh at my necklace. I found it in the water, so it's my good luck charm for the day. Well, this is what we're using for bait. It's pickled herring. It's called sturgeon candy. It's pretty expensive though. This was like 11 bucks for this jar, and we've pretty much gone through it. We've only caught the one. I know they're biting them though, but we're just not filling them. We'll reel it in and the hook will be empty. So it's kind of a learning thing, but a lot of fun. Super cool fish when you do get one. We're gonna throw on this last one and hopefully we catch one more. Well guys, we didn't have a ton of luck that day out fishing. Only caught the one sturgeon. But the biggest reason I want to do this video is that I think that a lot of people have the idea and the mindset that you gotta have hundreds of dollars worth of equipment to catch sturgeon, and you don't. I think I only spent, I don't know, like maybe 60 bucks total, and that probably includes bait. So the bait I did get from Sportsman's Warehouse, I can't find any good bait from Walmart. So if you guys have any pointers on what to catch them on, I've been told hot dogs, but I tried hot dogs and every time you cast it, the hook rips through and the hot dog goes flying one direction and the hook goes the other. And so I don't see how that works. So unless you got any other ideas, I think the bait you're probably gonna have to get from Sportsman's Warehouse or something. But all your equipment and everything, I got it from Walmart. And like I said, we're just catching fish that are about 5 foot. I've heard of fish that are about 6 foot out of here, but most of them are around that 4 to 5 foot mark. And so I don't need the biggest, baddest equipment out there. I just need stuff that can handle a 50-pound fish, maybe on a lucky day a 70-pound fish. So yeah, that's what I got hooked up for, and I hope you guys like it. If you do, please like the video, please give us a thumbs up, please subscribe, follow along. We do a lot more hunting than we do fishing, and it's about hunting season, so a lot of videos are going to start rolling out. But thanks again for watching. See you later.